In an age where smartphones dominate our daily lives, the allure of simplicity has many turning back to basic mobile phones, often called dumb phones. These devices, known for their minimalist design and limited functionality, offer a refreshing break from modern smartphones' constant notifications and endless app updates. As we enter 2024, the dumb phone market has evolved, combining nostalgic charm with contemporary features that cater to those seeking a digital detox, improved focus, or simply a more straightforward communication tool. This video will explore the best dumb phones of 2024, highlighting their unique features, practical benefits, and the reasons behind their growing popularity. Whether you're looking to disconnect from the digital noise, find a reliable backup phone, or introduce a more straightforward device to your routine, our top picks offer the perfect balance of functionality and simplicity. Nokia 6300. The Nokia 6300 4G is a testament to simplicity and functionality wrapped in a durable design. Priced at an affordable $69, this device offers more than just basic phone capabilities, making it a standout in the dumb phone market in 2024. One of its key highlights is the integration of popular social apps like WhatsApp and Facebook, ensuring that users remain connected with loved ones effortlessly. The addition of YouTube support means you can stream videos seamlessly, a rare feature for phones in this category. Moreover, including Google Maps adds a level of convenience for navigation, making it suitable for those who need essential apps without the overwhelming nature of a full-fledged smartphone. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 processor, the Nokia 6300 4G promises smooth and optimized performance and easily handles everyday tasks. Its 4G connectivity enhances browsing and streaming experiences. The phone can also double as a Wi-Fi hotspot, enabling other devices to share its internet connection, a valuable feature for on-the-go users. The phone's design emphasizes durability, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. This makes it an excellent choice for users who prioritize longevity and reliability in their devices. The Nokia 6300 4G is not just about staying connected, it's about making stronger connections through calls, messages, or shared moments captured and revisited. In summary, the Nokia 6300 4G is a perfect blend of old-school simplicity and modern-day necessities, offering essential apps, reliable performance, and robust connectivity at an unbeatable price. Punkt MP02. The Punkt MP02 is a compelling choice for those seeking a distraction-free, minimalist mobile experience. At $299, this 4G cell phone prioritizes simplicity, security, and durability, making it ideal for users who wish to escape the constant barrage of notifications and regain control over their digital lives. One of the standout features of the Punkt MP02 is its focus on privacy. Unlike most modern smartphones, this device is engineered with world-class security features that do not require entering sensitive information. Its purpose-built operating system is designed to safeguard your data, providing peace of mind that your information remains secure. The MP02's minimalist design is both functional and elegant. The streamlined interface simplifies everyday tasks such as making calls and sending messages, making it highly user-friendly. The intuitive menu system, navigable with just a few buttons, ensures the phone remains easy to use without unnecessary complexities. Connectivity options are robust, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB functions allowing effortless linking to external screens, earpieces, or car entertainment systems when needed. This ensures that you can stay connected without compromising on the device's minimalist ethos. Built to last, the Punkt MP02 boasts a well-balanced design tailored for one-handed use and constructed with reinforced glass fiber for added durability. This robust construction means the phone is designed to withstand daily use and the test of time. In summary, the Punkt MP02 offers a unique blend of security, simplicity, and durability at a premium price. Nokia 2780. The Nokia 2780 flip phone, priced at an affordable $85, blends simplicity with modern functionality. catering to those who appreciate the nostalgia of classic flip phones without sacrificing contemporary features. Its intuitive design ensures users find it familiar and easy to navigate. The dual large screens enhance usability, making texting straightforward and identifying callers effortless. Durability is a standout feature of the Nokia 2780. It is built to withstand daily bumps and knocks and meets high durability standards, making it a reliable choice for users seeking a robust phone. Accessibility is thoughtfully integrated with big buttons, hearing aid compatibility, and real-time text, making it inclusive for users with varying needs. The programmable side button adds an extra layer of security, allowing quick dialing in emergencies. Entertainment options are ample, with an FM radio and a 3.5mm audio jack providing music on the go. The impressive battery life boasts up to 18 days of standby time and 7 hours of talk time, ensuring the phone is always ready when needed. The 4G capability allows internet browsing and using favorite apps, while Volt 4G ensures that voice calls are crystal clear in HD. The phone also features a 5-megapixel rear camera, suitable for basic photography needs, video recording and playback capabilities, perfect for capturing and revisiting memories. The loudspeaker and adjustable volume further enhance the user experience. Overall, the Nokia 2780 Flip is a well-rounded, budget-friendly option that marries simplicity with essential modern features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and easy-to-use mobile phone. AGMM9. The AGMM9, priced at $45 and exclusive to T-Mobile, is ideal for seniors seeking a rugged, straightforward mobile phone. Designed with high volume, large font, and big buttons, it ensures easy and clear communication, making it perfect for those who need a phone tailored to simplicity and usability. The AGMM9's rugged build, boasting IP68 ratings, makes it exceptionally durable. It's waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof up to 1.5 meters, offering peace of mind for users in various environments. This durability is complemented by the phone's basic functionality: no apps, no Wi-Fi, and no internet access, focusing solely on essential communication tasks. This no-frills approach is beneficial for users who prefer a distraction-free device. The phone supports 4G, 3G, and 2G networks, with 3 card slots allowing for 2 SIM cards and a TF card for up to 128 gigabytes of expandable memory. However, only one SIM can utilize 4G at a time. The fast dialing feature enhances convenience, enabling users to set up speed dials for frequently called numbers, making connecting with loved ones quickly especially useful in emergencies. A standout feature is the replaceable 1000 mAh battery, which ensures users stay connected without worrying about battery life. The built-in high-intensity torch adds an extra layer of practicality, providing reliable light in the dark or emergencies. With a 1-year manufacturer warranty, the AGMM9 offers assurance of its quality. Overall, it is a well-priced, durable, and user-friendly phone that meets the basic communication needs of seniors, making it a reliable choice for those looking for simplicity and resilience in a mobile phone. Doro 6820. The Doro 6820, priced at £91, is a stylish flip phone designed to provide clear communication and ease of use, particularly for seniors or those who prefer straightforward mobile phones. Its clamshell design protects the keyboard when unused, while the large 2.8-inch screen enhances readability. The external display is convenient for identifying callers without opening the phone. The high-contrast keys are widely separated, making texting and dialing effortless. HD voice technology ensures conversations are clear and crisp. A standout feature is the assistance button on the back of the phone, which can be pressed to automatically call and send an SMS alarm to pre-selected contacts, providing peace of mind for users needing urgent help. The Doro 6820 includes a 2-megapixel camera with flash for capturing moments with family and friends, and video recording capabilities. Additional features like adjustable font sizes, a torch, weather updates, an alarm clock, Bluetooth, a hands-free speakerphone mode, and an LED indicator make this phone versatile and practical. It supports micro SIM cards and micro SD cards up to 128 gigabytes, offering ample storage for photos and other data. The phone's battery life is impressive. It can last up to 7 hours of talk time and up to 380 hours of standby time, powered by a 1000 mAh Li-ion battery. The phone comes with a UK mains charger and a charging cradle, which is handy for users with poor eyesight. Overall, the Doro 6820 is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, easy-to-use flip phone that combines essential features with robust functionality, making it a solid investment for clear and convenient communication.